Trump is going to be a dirty fight, okay? He's
Yeah.
already calling her nasty Kamala, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
She will give it back to him.
You've been getting a lot of calls.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I know. And first, tell us why we are standing outside and doing this interview.
Because I'm living alone, self-quarantine.
Right.
And I will get blasted if I let anybody else in the house. Except yesterday, a whole host of journalists landed on me,
Yeah.
for which I got a blasting today. Don't take it lying down if somebody calls you names.
Mm.
If they call you black, Afro-American, Indian, any derogatory term you feel insulting, give it back to them. Don't hold back.
Mm.
That's why you see Kamala in debates, she comes back quickly with a report, she doesn't take anything. Shamla said she went to do her PhD, but she got involved in student activities because she felt that studying alone is not enough.
Mm.
You study for your own good learning, but you must use your knowledge for social advancement. That's why she involved. So she told her children also, it's not enough that you study. Sit in your ass and don't do anything. If you feel something is bad, do something about it. And do what you can do where you are sitting. And if not, go to a better place and do it. So that's why Kamala first ran for district attorney. Then she ran for the attorney general.
Right.
Then she ran for the Senate. At each step, she said, I've done what I could do in San Francisco. Now I want to do more people. I'll become attorney general. See, they came to India not for sightseeing, only seeing their grandparents. And incidentally, I used to be sometimes in Chennai at that time.
Yeah.
And my sister Sarla used to live there.
Yeah.
So they saw her. But they came to see my grandparents, or their grandparents. Only thing I got memories of Kamala and Maya children fighting
Mm.
and involve me in the fights. Kamala will say, Maya did this, Maya will say, no, Kamala did this. I said, why the hell are you fighting? I don't know who did it, keep quiet. Things like that. So I tell people she has principles but not dogmatic. She convinces the opponents, this is why I do it, this is what I say, now I'll tell you why I'm doing it. So she's all round and she's got a good legislative experience, very good cross-examining experience, quick on her feet. And Trump is going to be a dirty fight, okay? He's already calling her nasty Kamala, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
She will give it back to him. The only WhatsApp I got is a lot of people saying, congratulations sir, can I have an interview? And I tell them, what the hell are you congratulating me for? I will convey it. I didn't even pay for her campaign. She forbid all of us.
Why does she say that?
People will say she's taking foreign money and Indian money. She said, I don't want this unnecessary thing. You see, in states right now, the politics is very toxic. If I send her a WhatsApp, email, anything, and since the hacking and all those things are going on, using it against the other, anything that I send from India about to her, even if it is innocuous, can always be gobbled or misrepresented as an Indian uncle or India interfering
Yeah.
in the electoral process in the US by trying to influence one of the candidates according to that country's view.